Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, I will be discussing about the Green Revolution. This was a revolution in the field of agriculture which was initiated by this gentleman Norman Borlaug, the pioneer of the Green Revolution. The main purpose of this Green Revolution was to increase the agricultural production in order to feed the human population. So, I start this lesson. The Green Revolution was initiated by Norman Borlaug, who is often credited with saving over 1 billion people worldwide from starvation. So, the human population was increasing day by day, but the agriculture production was not increasing at the same pace, at the same speed as that of human population, and so there was starvation, there was a scarcity of food. And so this gentleman Norman Borlaug, he initiated a revolution called Green Revolution in order to increase the agricultural production. So, realizing the imbalance between Earth's growing population versus the low rate of large scale agricultural produce, Borlaug started a series of research, development, and technology transfer initiative. So Norman Borlaug, he realized the imbalance. This is the imbalance between the Earth's growing population, that is the population, the human population was growing at a very fast or high speed. The population was increasing, but at the same time versus the low rate of large scale agriculture produce. The agriculture production was not increasing at the same pace or at the same speed, and so there was an imbalance. Agriculture, the food product, the production of food product was less than the growing population, so there was an imbalance. And so to remove this imbalance, to balance it, Borlaug started a series of research. Okay, series of research he did, some development work and technology transfer initiative, that is how to increase agricultural production. Some research was there, done like good quality seed. Okay, high yielding varieties of seed could be used. Then pesticides and insecticides to protect the agricultural produce from the attack of the pest and insects. Then he also used manures, fertilizers to increase the fertility of the soil. Then he also used some machines, technology transfer initiative. Machines were used for doing for plowing the field or for harvesting or for planting the seed or anything like that. Technology was used. So result of all this was increased in agricultural production. So his initiative led to increased agricultural production around the world. So earlier we had seen that there was an imbalance. The human population was more and the agricultural production was less. But because of these initiatives, because of these research and development, the agricultural production around the world increased. The Green Revolution involved the development of high yielding varieties of cereal grains. Okay, so what were the development that took place because of Green Revolution? First was the use of high yielding varieties, that is good quality seeds of cereal grains. Cereal means our food product like rice, wheat, barley, maize, all these are cereal grains. So high yielding variety of cereal grains. Expansion of irrigation infrastructure, okay, providing irrigation facilities like making building digging canals, tube wells, irrigation facilities like tanks, and water supply. So in this way, expansion of irrigation infrastructure in some countries, dams were also constructed, reservoirs were made where water can be stored, and through a channel, canals, the water was supplied to the field, agricultural field. Then modernization of management technique, how to manage the resource, whatever resource and techniques that was there in order to get good product. Then distribution of hybrid seeds, good quality seeds should be distributed among the farmers so that they can use it. Hybrid seeds, synthetic fertilizers, okay, good quality fertilizers, and pesticides to kill the pest to farmers. So all these things were distributed or given to the farmer. What? That is high yielding variety cereal grains, irrigation infrastructure was developed, then modernization of management techniques was done, then distribution of hybrid seeds, synthetic fertilizers and pesticides were given to the farmers. The result of all this was, under the Green Revolution initiative, Mexico, India, Pakistan, and Philippines and other developing countries witnessed a notable increase in cereal grain production. So we can see that these are some of the countries which benefited because of Green Revolution: Mexico, India, Pakistan, Philippines. All these countries, they took initiative of the Green Revolution, and there was a notable increase in the cereal grain production, and so people were not dying of starvation in these countries. In India, do you know who was the pioneer of Green Revolution? He was the pioneer of the Green Revolution worldwide. Okay, he was the first person to initiate this revolution. So he is called the pioneer of the Green Revolution. In India, M.S. Swaminathan, he was the agriculture minister. So I am writing over here M.S. Swaminathan. Okay, he was the M.S. Swaminathan in India. He was the Swami Swaminathan, Nathan, M.S. Swaminathan. Okay, he was the pioneer, or he was the founder of Green Revolution in India. Okay, so today we will discuss up to here. Then in my next class I will complete this chapter, and then I will discuss the exercise. Okay, till then, take care and write the inside questions, because after this, when I complete, I will give you the question answer of this lesson. Then you have to write that in your geography copy. Okay, take care, bye.